Alright, look at that. Those look delicious. Welcome to Josh's place. Bringing you some comfort food the way I like it. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to cook lots of different things from Asian to Southern comfort food, or maybe even a combination of the two. I love cooking lots of different things here at Josh's place. We enjoy to eat whatever looks good. And if I can find it and try it and it looks challenging, I'm going to. You'll see a lot of different recipes on this channel moving forward of things that I just love to cook. Hope you enjoy it and stick along for the ride. Let me know what you think. Any recipe ideas that you may want to see too, feel free to put them in the comments. Love to try new things, so if there's something you would like to see on the channel, like to see me give it a shot, great. If it's baking, not so much. I'll leave that to the wife. She does amazing sourdough and things like that. But if it's cooking on the grill, cooking on the oven, use the air fryer, all kinds of things. We have a Timbo tusk that we love to cook on outdoors, Blackstone grills, you name it. But we'll give this a shot, see how you like it. Let me know what you think. Today, we're gonna cook some egg rolls. Love egg rolls. Asian food is probably one of my favorite things to cook. From fried rice to stir fry, you name it. But today, we're gonna cook egg rolls. It's been a while since I've done that. They should be crispy, yummy, delicious, and simple. Simple to make. I think you'll enjoy this. I'm using the hex-clad wok here. I have a carbon steel, but for this one, should work just fine. This burner doesn't get quite hot enough for the big wok, so I'm gonna give this a try first. Get good and hot.
Technical difficulties as we get started, but I've got that and the kids are running all over the house too, making all kinds of noise. So. Yeah, that's you. That's all right. Just broken up. Doesn't make me anything about it, does it? Does that smell good? Yeah. You like egg rolls? Yes. Can you do the foot? Not yet? Yeah, you can. We need a little bit bigger. Alright, so that's been going for about this is a bag of coleslaw. Dump that in. Not 3 cups is what we should use, but this seems to work pretty well for me. Fills up this wok a little bit. Just gonna cook it till it gets wilted. Add a little seasoning here at the end. So I need about a tablespoon of soy sauce. I don't measure too much because I know what I like. If I go a little over, a little under, it is what it is. But to give you an idea, it should be about a tablespoon. Same for the sesame oil. Don't go too heavy on the sesame oil. It can overpower your food. But I really like the flavor anyway. We're going to just crank this heat off. Let that set up.
Egg roll wrapper here. Take a scoop of goodness. Maybe a little extra because we like to fill them up. Okay. I always like to overfill them, so don't do as I do. Alright, so take it this way, and that way. tuck as you go. Take a little water on your fingers. Seal it up nice. Not perfect, but neither am I.
That'll be alright. Here we'll get nice and golden brown. Let those crispy those are. Let them cool off just a little bit, and then we'll crank the oil heat up just a little bit, and we'll do an additional quick fry on those, make them super crispy. You can see that.
All right, well, let's see how they taste. Look at that. Those look delicious. Oh, they're hot though. Well, we got the egg rolls made. Got a nice test cut here. These look amazing. We're gonna take a little bite. I'm gonna put a little hot mustard on mine. Just a little right there, and oh, that's good. That's good. A little southern flair. You know, it all cooking here at Josh's place. I think my daughter's standing over there wanting to do a little test as well. Now it's hot. Are you ready, Penny?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want just to eat it just like this?
Yeah.
Okay, get over here so you can tell the folks how it tastes. It's still a little oily. It's hot.
Whew.
Hot. How's that taste other than it being hot?
Amazing.
Amazing. Tell the folks out here that amazing.
It's really good.
And she might be biased a little bit, being my daughter-in-law, but we think it's good. All right, folks. Again, thank y'all for watching. If you've got any recipes that you would like to see in the future, put them in the comments below. Enjoy cooking just about anything, so give me some ideas. I've got a few in line to get going, but these just turned out amazing. As you can see, we made a few. I don't like to cook small dishes, but we have lots of egg rolls. Probably have them tonight with dinner. But thanks again. We appreciate you. Thanks a lot. Come by.
Bye.
She got her mouth full, but bye.